Diddy's lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, went in hard.
Today on Our Puff Truth, the lawyer who served as lead attorney in the Diddy case shared one of the main reasons his client was acquitted: baby oil. He explained that during closing arguments, he told the jury that, despite the authorities using a heavy show of force, it was all worth it because they had seized Astroglide and baby oil, which made the jury laugh. His point was to frame the case as one about bedroom police, and the humour helped sell it. In another segment, Renee Rapp admitted she had no idea who Joe Rogan was, prompting a playful back and forth with colleagues and even bringing in Gen Z staffers to see who recognised the name. Meanwhile, the Backstreet Boys, spotted at Pebble Beach, issued a playful golf challenge to NSYNC, joking that losing would mean enduring an impromptu bye-bye-bye. Elsewhere, Emily Ratajkowski was seen in Italy wearing a tiny bikini, sparking trivia among the hosts about her accessories and hairstyle. The conversation circled back to Diddy's case, with the attorney explaining his comedic strategy and poking fun at the idea of dangerous baby oil. Then, Mariah Carey, in an interview with BBC Radio's Scott Mills Breakfast Show, seemed genuinely surprised when told Katy Perry had gone to space, before clarifying that she wasn't interested in going herself. Later, the Kardashian family appeared together for the first time in ages, with the host discussing how public interest in them may be waning, joking that their most notable recent moments include Khloe launching popcorn, Kylie applying more makeup, and Kim getting stem cell treatment. They suggested the family might regain intrigue by revisiting more chaotic past relationships. The show closed with 21-year-old Sam Nola, known from White Lotus, criticising older actors for getting cosmetic surgery to look young and take roles from younger talent. Despite being the son of actors Emily Mortimer and Alessandro Nivola, he insists he's not a Nepo baby and isn't afraid to speak his mind, possibly even taking a subtle jab at Brad Pitt. Before the trial, the attorney had joked in an interview about the 1,000 bottles of baby oil found, quipping that Diddy just had a big house and bought in bulk, like shopping at Costco in every city he lived. Critics called the comment insensitive at the time, but it turned out he was setting up a punchline for court. During his closing arguments, he repeated the baby oil joke to emphasise that the case was overblown, painting it as a matter of bedroom police, rather than serious crime. The jury's laughter reassured him the point had landed. Shifting gears, the show covered Mariah Carey's chat with BBC Radio's Scott Mills, where she was told Katy Perry had gone to space. Mariah seemed puzzled, asking for details before deciding she'd done enough in life to skip space travel. The hosts then played with the idea of her walking the Paris Fashion Week runway, imagining Harvey in stilettos for comic effect. Finally, the Kardashian clan made a rare appearance together, prompting the inevitable question, are audiences over them? The hosts debated their most recent headline moments: Khloe releasing popcorn, Kylie putting on more makeup, Kim getting stem cell therapy, and compared the family's fading novelty to the endless Barbie Goes To product spin-offs. The conclusion? Without the drama of relationships, like those with Tristan Thompson or Lamar Odom, the Kardashians lack compelling storylines. To reclaim attention, the hosts jokingly suggested they find toxic men again. The episode wrapped with actor Sam Nola criticising older stars who get cosmetic work to land younger roles, arguing it blocks opportunities for actual young talent. Though the son of actors Emily Mortimer and Alessandro Nivola, he insists he's no Nepo baby and isn't afraid to make bold statements, possibly even hinting at Brad Pitt as a target of his comments. The baby oil punchline from the Diddy trial became a running gag, with one host joking that removing it from the streets didn't make things safer. If anything, it just made the streets slipperier. They chuckled over the absurdity of treating bedroom products as contraband, using it as an example of how a lawyer's humour can turn the mood of a courtroom. From there, they pivoted to Mariah Carey's witty refusal to go to space, her playful commentary sparking laughs in the studio. The team then shifted to the Kardashian family once more, comparing their current public appearances to a played-out TV series still on air, but lacking fresh plot twists. Suggestions for revival included revisiting messy relationships, bringing back headline-making exes, or finding new sources of drama. Wrapping up, Sam Nola's critique of Hollywood's obsession with youth served as a sharp reminder that even in the entertainment industry's most glamorous corners, the fight for opportunity is real. His blunt remarks, paired with his rejection of the Nepo baby label, left a final note of candour that contrasted with the playful celebrity gossip that came before. They joked about how even the wildest Hollywood scandals can be diffused with well-timed humour, as seen in the Diddy case. Mariah Carey's "I've done enough" comment about space travel became an instant fan favourite, with listeners imagining her casually sipping champagne while the rest of the world races towards the stars. The Kardashian conversation lingered too, because no matter how much people claim to be over them, they remain a cultural talking point. The host teased that Khloe's popcorn, Kylie's makeup, and Kim's stem cell therapy wouldn't cut it for ratings, suggesting the family might need a new, chaotic storyline to reclaim the spotlight. Finally, Sam Nola's comments about older actors taking young roles sparked a more serious conversation about fairness and authenticity in Hollywood, leaving viewers with something to think about after all the laughs. It was a fitting end to an episode that blended legal drama, celebrity fashion, and playful shade into one endlessly entertaining package.